Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade ketchup using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, which are likely already in your pantry. We'll combine them in a saucepan and simmer gently. This simple process transforms basic items into a flavorful condiment. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a batch of fresh, delicious ketchup that's perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes as your base. For that essential tang, grab 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Sweetness comes from 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget the aromatics, 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Start by combining all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom and to ensure everything cooks evenly. Let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until your ketchup reaches your desired thickness. Once your ketchup has reached the perfect consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This step is crucial for the flavors to meld and for the ketchup to thicken further. After it's fully cooled, transfer your delicious homemade ketchup into an airtight container. You can then store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to enjoy with any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.